Welcome technicians. Today we look into the end part of our CB NAAT instrument, that is how to put the report and how to see the instrument values and all. Okay, once the instrument has completed its time, if it is an MDR TB it will take 88 minutes, for others and all 77 like that. So once it completes, immediately the door will open and the cartridge will come out. Okay, so the results will be displayed in three windows, that is summary, amplification and details. So it's very important that your internal control is valid. So this is the IC valid, this has to be there. So if it is invalid or something, then we may have to repeat the whole test again. Okay, so be very cautious about this. This internal control should always be valid, and it is telling that it is negative. Okay, these are the details of the patient will be there. Of course, this is written dummy only. Okay, so it is summary. Then it is you look at the amplification. So in the amplification window, as you can see, it will tell about the internal insertion sequence 10816110 like that. So if anything is positive, it will come as a CT value would have been given here, and this is the resistant for rifampicin and isoniazid, and if it is detected, it will tell. So information is also given here, as well as information will be there in this part also. Okay, so this is the details. Details will mainly tell about the patient's cartridge number, lot number, module number, all these things it will display. So that's so all these three windows you have to upload it into our WhatsApp group, so that I can see it if I am not there at the place. Okay, so now you remove the cartridge, then close the door. Okay, this cartridge has to be discarded into yellow colored bin only, not the red. Please remember, it has to be put it in a yellow colored bin only. Okay, so you discard it and then open this is the, if you click on the home button, it will come like this, complete. This is the request number and the result is negative like that. Okay, now open the HIS, identify the patient, open the result entry. So click on open, and then you mention what is the type of specimen it is, not detected, and then since it is not detected only, the resistance is no longer applicable, so you write it as not applicable, and internal control is detected. So this is very important. This is the quality control, as I told you previously. So you enter detected and you verify the report. Okay, now once that is done, so the instrument will be in this mode only. If any further test is there, you can continue, or you can directly switch on. There is no shutdown methodology. Once in the home position, directly you switch on both the switches manually from the back end, so the instrument will switch off. Okay, so do remember that all the tuberculosis related test has to be notified, so you have to enter it into the notification Excel sheet that is present. So open the laboratory common folder, then open 2026 this year daily activity of that, and then in that notification Excel sheet is there. In that you enter the patient name, UHID number, then age and your age, then what is the sample, and CB NAAT is negative like that. Okay, hope you are able to understand this. Thank you.